DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, I see what we in the lab. I don't know what to do with crazy bangers and crazy reaction and crazy bangers on the top. Today is no different. Today we're there, you know. You see we're there, we take a trip and now we're back in Trinidad, you know. You see me ancestor, that means we're there with some Trinidad music. Yeah, man, and today you see we're there with one of our best artists out there, 7𝐬𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Today, this artist was recently in a sad situation, a sad shooters where they were actually got shot in the head and end up in certain situation. But it look like they are good news is look like they are recovering, and that's great. You see me? Today we're there with none other than Plumpy Bass. Yeah, man, one of the best artists out of Trinidad and one of the best artists out of the 7𝐬𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���. You see me? So we're glad to see that back to making music. I'm not sure if it's new music or this is like an old track he's releasing. But yeah, because you know it's recently shot in the head. But whatever it is, I'm glad to see Plumpy Bass back to dropping music. You see me I say? Yeah, if Plumpy Bass drop out Trinidad music would have taken a huge hit. I'm not even gonna lie. But gang, we now will be vibe much longer, you see me? You don't know the routine already. You see me? Road to 10K, the like and subscribe button. You don't know we are tried it before the year done. And we're gonna achieve it, gang. You see me? So just do the right thing. You don't know. Code is life. You see me? But yeah, man, Plumpy Bass in this world lyric video. We're not gonna vibe much longer. Let's get it.
Like that.
The audio say I don't want to be alone in this world. Is that what the audio saying? I can't even hear. Hold on.
Like that.
I'm liking this instrumental though. Yeah, for real. Like this got a really deep feel to it. Come on.
In this world, a full heap of people. Some bad mind, some well jealous, and some full of evil. Corrupted thoughts embedded in a people.
That's true. That's facts. But go on.
Some bad mind, some well jealous, and some full of evil.
Bad in mind, some jealous and full of evil. That's people for real, man. Come on.
Man try to celebrate my death and them no even see a picture post yet. Man now with them what I do. If them say my breathless so what's yet. Man a funeral pamphlet. Mankind, well unkind. I want me dwelling in a stress, but things
I pop up on live and I celebrate my death. We don't see a picture post yet. What would I do if you see me breathless? Eh? Jeez and peace. Come on.
Been through some can't cope with. Still I move on with my life. And I work for the best. Strap down for the worst, nevertheless. Can't no evil people want get beyond.
Strap down for the worst, never the best. You see me and say, yeah, hey.
Me have some shot and I'm not gonna rather let it out. And no fake friends who don't let me down. Say them real, me tell them show me how. Give thanks so with it, I know.
Shot in a gun me and let it out. Cause no fake hey, yo. Yeah, man. Say them real, show me how. Instead of saying it, show me. Show me the actions. You can't say you're real. Show me, don't say you're real. Show me. You see me? Let the action speak. Oh, I'm tuned, hey.
Embedded in a people.
I take it from hey.
Some bad mind, some well jealous, and some full of evil. Cup on life and try to celebrate my death, and them no even see a picture post yet.
Crazy, right?
Wonder what them what I do. If them say my breathless, so what's yet on a funeral pamphlet. Man,
I never do them see me breathless or worse on a funeral pamphlet. Eh? What would I do?
Well unkind, I want me dwelling in a stress, but things I've been through some can't cope with. Still I move on with my life. And I
mankind, well unkind. I want we dwelling in a stress. Hey!
For the best, strap down for the worst, nevertheless. Can't no evil people want get me out. Me have some shot and I'm not gonna rather let it out. And no fake friends will don't let me down. Say them real, tell them show me.
Yo, no fake friend will let me down. We say them real. We say show you. Hey! Show we out, man. I want
thanks so with it, I know. Cause this life I know Mickey, I know Minnie,
Mo-
Disney house.
yes.
Give them a strength and every tool figure.
This life I know Mickey, I know Minnie, I know Disney house, but I know cartoon. I know play sitting. Oh, I'm to you. Come
Bill
in.
and them turn round bell shop and sell we out.
Yeah.
In this world, a full heap of people. Some bad mind, some well jealous, and some full of
evil. Hey, easy enough, man.
evil.
Run through the accent.
Yeah. Embedded in a people. Some bad mind, some well jealous, and some full of evil.
Plumpy. Plumpy, my name no say Plumpy a drop doing this whole shit in a dog. Hey. Mad. Plumpy boss, mad. Yeah, man. Big Bang Studios. Big up on the damn self. Plumpy, it's so good to see you back dropping, my G. I don't know if this was an old track or a new track, but it's so good to see you dropping, my G. I hope you're recovering well. You see me, I hope everything is going well with your health. All that good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Just glad to have you back and glad to have you dropping again, man, G. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Really deep meds, dope track. You see me, I say people big up Plumpy. I want to go wish him some, speedy recovery and wish him well. You see, we don't know his status. Yeah, we need to swing back over Trinidad, start get back on the updates and back on the music reactions. You see me, we get back active, gang. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So let me know think in that comment section about the one year. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support, make you know what's the dancing, You see me, I say, Also, gang, drop your request so you can get your shout out. Don't know, road to 10K, gang. Running 3K away. Hit the like and subscribe button. Y'all been active. You see me, I appreciate y'all. You feel me? Y'all been active in the comments and the likes and the views and all that. Just keep it going, gang. Road to 10K, man. We're coming to take over. Best reaction channel on YouTube. We now ask guys. You see me? Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, gang. We're there, man. Banger reactions. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button. We're growing strong over here. Road to 10K. Yeah, Dan Mafia. We're the latest YouTube channel on YouTube, man. Yeah, man. We're active over here. Dan Mafia, we're lit over here. You see me? Let's hurry up and hit the 10K and the 20K and the 50K, 25K and the 50K and the 100K. You see me? Get that plaque. You see me? I say, gang? Yeah, man. I appreciate y'all. We're there, man. Drop a request so we can get us a shout out. It's a vibe. More bangers coming. You see me? More bangers pound the top coming. So, yeah, you know what time it is, man. You know, your boy Jambisco, the Dan is in the lab with banger reactions. And he non-stop, Yeah, man. Oh, by the way, gang, you don't see me decorate. You see me, it's Halloween. So I was like, yo, let me start decorate the channels for match seasons. You see me? So I got me a little pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns. You know what I'm saying? They fake, but I'm just trying to match the theme. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Anytime holidays come around, I'm gonna match the theme. You see me? It's Halloween, so I got the pumpkin out. Thanksgiving, I don't know, I might have a fake turkey or some shit. You see me? And Christmas, you might probably have a little mini tree. I'm gonna start decorate the channel for match the seasons. You see me? I say, gang, yeah, man. Let me know if you like that. You see me? But yeah, man. Crazy upgrades coming to the channel, gang. We're growing. We're growing. You see me? We're not itch. We're growing. We're getting better. We're getting stronger, gang. I appreciate all you guys. You see me? Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.